Hi all, this is Steve Murray, the market chartist on behalf of Forexfraud.com, and we're going to take a look at both the euro versus the US dollar, the pound, the British pound, so the European focus here versus the US dollar. So slightly more negative tone from Friday for the euro versus the US dollar in here, but an underlying bull theme since this rally from support here at 108.46 ahead of 108.07, and then using that 110.15 platform in August to surge up to 117.14. Despite the setback in late August through early September, the subsequent rebound leaves upside risk to 117.14, we feel, going through late September into October. However, the Friday setback post FOMC in here leaves a negative bias for a correction lower early this week, and we're looking for a dip back lower to maybe towards 111, maybe even closer to 110.15, but looking for this area down here to hold eventually for bullish pressures to come back through up to 117.14. If we move on to the pound versus the US dollar, slightly different setup in here. The sell-off we had through late August into early September signaled a shift to a more negative theme. The subsequent rebound, however, just leaves a very neutral theme between these parameters of 158.19 and 151.62. Within that broader range theme, however, we did get that setback in here on Friday, again post the FOMC rally, then a setback in here leaving the bias lower for a pushback towards maybe 154, 153.50 area into the beginning first half of this week. This has been Steve Murray, the market chartist, on behalf of Forexfraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.